Welcome to our quick guide on connecting your social media channels to UNUM, your ultimate social media workspace. For a full list of supported channels, visit our website. Let's get started. Navigate to the plus button in your toolbox and select the platform you want to connect. Today, I'm connecting Instagram. With an Instagram business account, you can auto-post to your Instagram feed, Reels, and Stories, and access your detailed analytics. Once connected, your channel will appear here. You can then easily upload all your photos and videos directly from your desktop to UNUM, where every upload is preserved at full resolution, ensuring the highest quality when posted via our platform. You can also streamline your editing process with our suite of professional tools and filters for all your photos and videos. Let's generate a caption. Imagine you're a beauty brand getting ready to launch a new product for the summer. Simply select your photo, describe your post, choose a tone, and generate a caption. You can refine your caption by adjusting the length, tone, or regenerating until it's just right. Now that your post is ready, select a date and time for it to go live. You can choose Remind Me to receive a notification when it's time to post, or opt for auto post and let UNUM take care of the rest, ensuring your content is shared exactly when it should be. You just connected your Instagram and scheduled your first post. Explore more with post ideas and tailored content strategies for your brand. We'll tell you what to post, when to post, and who to post to, with pre-written captions, hashtags, and more. So, are you ready to grow online? Follow for more.